Hello, Your Highness. My name is Johannes.
I'm John.
We are Johannes and John. Another day, another vlog na naman tayo, guys. Paalis na naman kami ni John. Dahil susuyurin na naman natin, lilibutin ang mga stores ng Trader Joe's dito malapit sa amin. Dito sa Florida. Sobrang nagulat lang talaga ako sa dami ng mga suporta na binigay ninyo sa akin. Like yesterday, hindi ko pa actually na-fulfill yung mga orders ninyo. I think more than 200 pieces na po yung sold out, yung sold natin. So maraming salamat. Hindi ko talaga inaasahan ito, guys. In-expect ko lang naman na aabot siya ng 100, pero yung sumusobra talaga, maraming salamat. Guys, goal natin today, makakuha tayo ng at least 100 bags. One of the stores here, hindi sila nag-limit yesterday, so hopefully hindi pa rin sila mag-limit today. Kasi balak ko kasana kumuha ng tag 20 na doon sa store na yon, 20 sa kay John at 20 sa akin. And also sa isang store tag 6 lang kasi, so 6 and 6, so 12. And then we have like 4 or 5 stores, so mga 100, kulang 100 po yung makukuha natin na bags ngayon. Hi guys, nandito na tayo sa first store ng Trader Joe's, and check natin kung makakuha tayo ng marami ngayon. Hopefully we can get like, it's the same parking yesterday.
No, I parked over there.
Hopefully makakuha tayo dear ng 20-20 if possible. If not, maybe 10-10 is fine. Okay, we'll see you later ha. Iwan ko muna kayo dito, guys.
Is that 74 we got? I think she's counting these as 5.
Yeah.
Is this 5?
Alam kong tataas na naman ang kilay ng ilan nating mga kababayan. Kagaya ng mga negative comments na nababasa ko. Na kesyo ganito daw, bakit ko daw hinakot ang lahat. Guys, una sa lahat, hindi ko na kailangan magpaliwanag nito, okay? Pinayagan po ako ng store dahil ang store po na ito ay hindi po naglilimit. Alam kong sa inyo sa ibang state naglilimit kayo ng 1, 3 o 6. Pero dito sa store na pinuntahan ko, wala po kasi silang limit. Kaya wag nyo na po akong pagsalitaan nang hindi po maganda. Hi everyone! Hindi na kami kumuha pala ng paper bag kasi sobrang dami ng paper bag namin sa bahay at tinatapon lang naman namin. Ay, actually we could get paper bag, no? Kasi we could have saved the paper bag for the avocados. It's too late now. But anyway, we can still get more pa naman eh. So, guys, we got a lot of bags na in one store. We're very happy that they don't have limit, okay? Nag-ask po sila sa, I think the management, they asked the management just to make sure because they saw our cart is full. And then sobrang dami din kasi ng stocks. They have a lot of stocks eh. Bago po kami nag-check out kahapon, sinigurado po ng cashier, nagtanong po siya sa management kung pwede na isang cart ang bibilhin at pinayagan po kami, okay? Wag nang maraming issue. Hi guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa second store. Hindi ko na alam kung saang store ito, guys, no? Pero second store ito, guys. Okay, nandito na tayo ngayon sa second store ng Trader Joe's. Tignan natin kung available or marami silang stocks.
Forgot all the stocks.
So it's not available here, guys. In the second store, hindi siya available. But the good thing is, we were able to get a lot in the first store. I guess you can't have it all.
That's the way it goes.
You got a lot in one store. In the second store, it's not available. Ganun talaga. Alangan naman. Lahat na lang sa'yo, Johannes. Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa third store ng Trader Joe's and currently it is 10:46 AM na. And hopefully available dito, no, kahit na makakuha lang tayo dito ng 12 or 24 siguro. Pwede na siguro. Tignan natin. Okay, ayan yung store, oh. Iwan ko na lang kayo dito, guys. Hi guys, on to the fifth store, I think fourth store, because in the other store not available again. So 2 stores not available. First store unlimited, Second store not available. So 2 stores na guys yung not available. Nagkakaubusan na talaga sa ibang store. So I guess every store is different. Just like every store, they have their own policy. In the other store, 3 limit. In the other store, 6 limit per person, per household. And then on the other store is unlimited. That's why we got 1 cart full. So wag na lang pong magmarunong yung iba ha, kasi a lot of people are saying na, Johannes, bakit mo kinukuha yung madami na yan? Kasi guys, pwede po siya, okay? Yung iba kasi nakakaintindi, sabi, oh, Pilipino kayo, nakakahiya kayo, hinahakot nyo. Hindi yan guys. Ang isipin po natin, nakakapagpadala po tayo sa mga kababayan natin na walang means, na pumila, walang time na mag day off dahil busy sa trabaho. Kasi yung iba dito pinapanregalo din nila ito, nag-iipon sila para panregalo sa pang December dahil uuwi sila ng Pilipinas. So wag po natin silang i-judge, or wag pong i-judge kami na mga seller, kasi tumutulong lang naman tayo. Although yes, bakit mo pa tinutubuan, ganito lang naman yung price niyan dito. Hindi nyo kasi maintindihan na syempre business po ito, kailangan po nating tubuan, at hindi naman po ganun ka taas ang tinutubo ko. Transparent talaga ako sa inyo guys. Sinabi ko na 10.99, transparent ako 9.99 na mga tote. Ito insulated 10.99, transparent talaga ako. Kasi nakikita nyo naman yan online eh. So, what's the purpose of hiding it? Kung nakikita nyo naman yan online. Diba? Pagaya ng mga Christinang bags, pwede naman kayong mag-search yan online. Alam mo, natutuwa talaga ako kasi ang mga kababayan natin guys, no, sa totoo lang, nakikita nila yan yung mga presyo sa online. Hindi mo na yan sila manloko or what, ganyan. Kaya ako, what you see is what you get. Kung ano yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na price ko, yun yung price ko. Kung hindi kayo nasiyahan sa price ko, marami pong mga online seller at pwede po kayong mag-check out sa store mismo, no? Pwede po kayo magpunta sa Christinang website, or pwede kayo magpunta sa tawag dito na mga website, House of Little Bunny website, ganyan, no? At kayo po mismo ang mag-order. Pero kasi yung iba kasi sa akin nag-order guys, kasi bultuhan yung pagkuha ko, and then yung mga duties, mga tax, mga ganyan, mga customs fees, mga ganyan is included na siya. Mas makakasave kasi pag maramihan, bultuhan ang pagkuha kaysa pa isa-isa. Kasi may isa po akong kababayan na nag-order sa akin. Sabi ko, ay, bakit hindi ka na lang mag-order sa online? Mas mura pala ang nakita mo sa online. Sabi niya, madami daw kasing mga fees and charges, taxes and duties. So, tapos, ang sa online pa guys ha, ganito. Mag-order kayo straight sa online. For example, punta kayo sa christinang.com, 'di ba? Tapos mag-order kayo sa online. Pa isa-isa yung shipping. So for example, ang shipping fee is $30 or $60. Kasi minsan napakamahal ng shipping fee. Kung dalawang bag sila mag-shipping. Kung tatlong bag sila mag-shipping. Pataas ng pataas. Akala ko nga before, sabi ko, bakit kaya hindi sila nag-order online, no? Especially yung mga nag-order ng 5 pieces sa akin. Sabi ko, bakit hindi sila nag-order online? Yun pala, tinry ko na mag-order online, pin-deliver sa bahay. Ang laki-laki ng shipping fee. Kaya buti na lang talaga meron tayong mga partners na mga courier na nagpapababa ng mga shipping fee natin. Kaya nagpapasalamat talaga ako kahit dalawang order, tatlong order, 4 na order, konti lang yung shipping fee. Konti. Mura lang ang shipping fee. Yan. So maraming salamat sa mga trusted customers natin, no? Na mga loyal customers. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyo guys. On to our last store na dear, no? This is gonna be the last store.
Last store.
Okay, and then uwi na kami ni Jan kasi nagutom. Wala pa nga akong breakfast eh. Hindi ko alam kung kakain ba kami ni Jan. Nandito na kami sa last store na to. And pag wala pa dito, go home na kami kasi I'm hungry. Magpapa-car wash muna kami. We're done for the shopping for the day. Very close to the car. Hi guys, kakauwi lang namin sa bahay. At unload muna natin to. Yung stores yung pinagkaan namin. Need my money back. Oo. Nginginig na ako sa gutom guys. Grabe. Sobrang kalat dito. Sa Tuesday pa makakapag-ship pero kailangan ko siyang tawag dito, i-box na natin siya kaagad para yung mga paid na ibabox na natin and then ipiprint ko na siya para hindi ako malito ba. Kasi ang daming, the orders are keep coming in. So, para hindi ako malito, kailangan ko na siyang i-box and i-separate na yung mga tapos na. So, especially yung mga nag-order ng tag 6 pieces. So, kakain muna ako. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong kakainin ko guys eh. Parang alanganin pang breakfast na or alanganin lang. Tapos mag-edit pa ako ngayon. Magsasaing na lang ako guys. Kasi masarap ang gulang eh.
Want me to just use that chicken?
Okay.
Stop. See me soon.
See you soon.
I don't want that. I want the longer pieces. There we have it.
Oh.
And just add the little gravy, mushroom gravy, into the chicken with mushroom. Another clean out. konjac rice. What did I do with it? Konjac fettuccine. That's what I will have.
What is this? Ooh.
Butter.
Oh, you're having noodles.
Yes.
John is having noodles.
I don't want rice.
Uh-oh. Wow. Konjac.
Mm-hmm.
Kain tayo guys. Uy, kakaipan pa. It's just newly cooked.
Fresh. Ha ha.
Dahan-dahan.
Uh-oh.
Watery fresh ang rice niyo, Hans. Wow, that looks good, huh?
It's delicious. Just wait.
Wait till you try it.
Mm-hmm.
I think I need some reels. You can sit there. And make a reel for me, darling, please. Make a reel. Sobrang sarap ng stir-fry veggies with chicken ang niluto ni Jan ngayon. Wow! Pag ganito ang ulam mo talaga, guys, mapapadami ka talaga ng kanin. Oh? Wow. Feeling ko sobrang sarap nito.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That's good. Yeah. Sobrang sarap. Ito na lang yung gagamitin kong kutsara. Malaki yung kutsara na gagamitin ko. Para hindi na tayo kukuha ng panibagong huhugasan na naman. So, siguro 100 plus ulit yung nakuha nating bags ngayon guys from Trader Joe's. And sold out na naman. Siguro hindi na kami babalik ni Jan tomorrow. We're gonna rest for Sunday, Monday because it's gonna be very busy. I'm gonna label them, box them, tape them, and get ready for Tuesday's pickup. We don't want to have a lot of stocks. We have to ship first. Mas masarap pa talaga ito kaysa sa mga restaurant.
You think you could get that at the restaurant?
I said it's better than restaurant.
Oh.
At a dime's budget. Look, John's food.
I think if we go out to eat, it's not as good.
How's the konjac rice paired with that?
Good.
Amazing.
No, konjac is never amazing.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a filler. I don't want the rice.
Replace that. Replace the carbs. It's also better with tofu, guys, this one.
Fry the tofu first.
Toppings. Nag-rice dyan, guys.
Just a couple tablespoons.
You didn't put soup?
No, I have. I just put a couple tablespoons of rice to finish up the sauce. Because the konjac doesn't
Ah, yeah.
absorb.
Absorb.
It's slippery.
Guys, it's John's fault. Because this is my second round. Because I said I only eat 2 scoops of rice. Now it's gonna be from 2 to 3 to 4. May natira pang ulam eh. Eh wala talaga guys, sira na. Hindi ako nag-rice ng 3 months ngayon. Break the record. Tanggalin na natin yung luto naman yan. Kanina basa pa eh. Ay sana pala hindi ako uminom ng Coke. Pag inom ko ng Coke guys, nabusog na ako eh. Nakakuha na ako ng kanin. Wala na tayong magagawa. Kainom talaga natin ito. What did you order?
Oh, I got a new cat feeder.
What happened with the old one?
The raccoons destroyed it.
Iba talaga itong mga raccoon guys, no? Mapinsala sila ba?
It's
Is that bigger than the old one?
I'll explain it in a minute. I need to see. I think so.
How much is that?
$64.
So it's pretty much the same with the old one.
Yes.
Price.
I think this one has better Wi-Fi capability. It says 5G instead of 2.5. So what happens over time, the other one's still working, but the raccoons, they come and they tear it off the wall. They spread it all over the yard. So
Right.
then I tie it down to the wall. Now they try even harder. And they break the lid. So every time I got to keep trying to figure out the next thing.
It's pretty much the same.
I think.
I don't think so. So even if we are in the Philippines, we can still see them, what they're doing. But where you put the ano? Where you... there. High-tech na talaga ngayon guys, no? At least, wherever you are in the world, you can still see your cat, what's going on. And then you can control how much you give them. $64.
It locks.
That's good.
Oh, I see. They give you this to put in here, so it absorbs some moisture. It's a better design. The other one you have to unlock. You have to lift the machine up in order to get the food bowl out. This one is much easier.
Okay guys, eto na. Bagong set na naman ang nakuha natin sa store. Ang dami ng mga nakuha namin kanina guys. As in, another 100 na naman tayo. Or 100 plus. Ano naman ang nakuha niya? Sa lahat po ng tumatangkilik at sumusuporta sa maliit naming negosyo ni John, gusto po namin kayong pasalamatan mula sa aming mga puso. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala ninyo, sa bawat order, sa bawat comment, share at kahit sa simpleng pag-recommend ninyo sa amin. Hindi po magiging posible ang lahat na ito kung wala kayo. Sa totoo lang, hindi po kami perpekto. Tao lang din po kami na nagkakamali, napapagod at minsan hindi na agad naaabot ang expectations ng lahat. Sa mga pagkakataon na may hindi kami napagbigyan, mga late replies, delays, o kung may pagkukulang kami sa serbisyo, humihingi po kami ng pasensya at pangunawa. Hindi po namin sinasadya at ginagawa po namin ang lahat para mas mapabuti ang negosyo at serbisyo namin. Asahan po ninyo na priority namin kayong lahat. Isa-isa naming inaayos ang sistema namin para mas marami pa kaming mapagsilbihan ng maayos. Soon mag-hire po kami ng makakasama sa negosyo para mas mapabilis ang transaksyon, mas organized at mas mapabuti ang experience ninyo sa amin. Pangarap po talaga namin na lumago, hindi lang para sa amin kundi para makatulong din sa ibang tao at makapagbigay ng trabaho balang araw. Alam naman po natin na habang may mga taong sumusuporta at natutuwa sa achievements mo, meron ding iba na hindi masaya sa nakikita nila. Marami rin pong kumikwestiyon sa ginagawa namin at minsan hindi maiiwasan ang pangbabash. Nakakalungkot lang minsan isipin na imbes na maging proud tayo sa ating kapwa Pilipino na nagsisikap at umaangat sa buhay, may mga taong mas pinipiling manghila pababa. Pero sa kabila ng lahat, mas pinipili pa rin naming mag-focus sa mga taong totoong sumusuporta at nagbibigay ng magandang energy. Kasi mas marami pa rin ang mabubuting tao. At sa inyong lahat na naniniwala sa amin mula umpisa hanggang ngayon, hindi po namin makakalimutan yan. Patuloy lang po tayong mangarap, magsikap at lumaban sa buhay. Kahit maraming pagsubok, walang madaling success. Lahat pinaghihirapan. Sana dumating yung panahon na mas matuto tayong suportahan ang isa't isa. Dahil mas masarap umasenso kapag walang hinihila pababa. Maraming salamat po ulit sa inyong lahat. God bless po sa inyong pamilya at sana patuloy ninyo kaming samahan sa journey namin na ito ni John.
Grilled pork tonight. Where's my tongs? I'll start them off fast. For delicious pork ribs.
Hi guys, so nakikita namin dito ang mga kaganapan outside because we have CCTV here. We see our cars, we see those ito yung mga bata They're doing their show. Their bike, they're like that Ooh, like one cycle. Wheelie. Ayan, mga naglalaro ng basketball, mga naglalaro ng soccer dito. You're cooking me dinner na? Oh, I thought you were gonna deep fry it.
No, you thought I don't know what to say.
Because it's better to deep fry. I don't know. Because we like the talo. Just like the, what do you call that? Hawali. Remember? It's Mama Indat's recipe. The deep fry pork rib or John Ray's recipe.
I need to boil it and then season it and then
Yeah.
la.
So you didn't boil that?
No, it's not boiled.
Okay. Ayan, guys. Madumi na naman yung ating ang ating kapaligiran. Hindi na naman nakapaglinis si Johannes. Kasi busy talaga ako guys sa mga orders ninyo. And then sa umaga, lilibot kami ni John sa mga Trader Joe's stores. Hala, may mga nag-order ng mga bangga. Siguro mag-harvest na tayo soon, guys, no? Kasi pero lalaki pa talaga yan siya, guys. Ang pretty talaga ng mangga, oh. Wala talaga siyang fungus this year, kaya we're happy. Itong avocado natin, I think pagbalik pa natin galing sa vacation ito, mga August or September ito natin ma-harvest, guys. Kasi medyo maliliit pa lang siya, eh. I don't know if napapansin nyo na. Ayan, oh. Medyo maliliit pa siya. Hanggang doon yan sa atop, guys. Dito yung madami. Sa likod ng bahay namin. Ganda talaga ng garden ni Johannes andyan, oh. Medyo mainit lang ngayon guys, kaya nalaya yung iba nating mga pananim. Yung broccoli natin nalaya, yung cucumber natin nalaya. Yung talong, oh. Okay na yung talong.
You want shrimp for appetizer?
Okay, just for fun. Appetizer daw, mag-shrimp daw si Jen for appetizer. Appetizer. Okay, dear.
Maybe I need calamansi.
For shrimp? Pwede.
Maybe I have it already.
Okay. Lemon na lang.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. You wanna
Steam some,
just leave it running like that?
steam some shrimps. Let me get the water started.
Did you ever figure this out?
Yeah. You want to fill it up with food?
Yeah.
Fill it up with food. Now use the bag of food and lock it in.
All right. Up to.
Everything. All the way to the top.
Ayan na. Nakikita na dyan, oh, sa CCTV. Ayan na yun, oh. Ayan na yung ating. Ayan. Ayan, it shows us. And then, go to settings na si John.
So I knew I did it before. Where is the feeding? There we go. Feed.
Feed. Ayan. Sige daw, be. Kung mag-feed ba talaga siya, baka na-scam tayo. Ayan! I heard it! I heard it! It's slowly feeding. Just like that.
It doesn't have any feeding yet.
And you control how much you put, right? Ayan, oh.
Yeah, because I gave it 4 portions.
Ayan! O, di ba? So, ganun lang, guys. Tapos, ilalagay yan ni John doon sa labas. And then, kung nasa Pinas kami, makikita namin sila. Ayan, magluluto ka na, dear. Hala, ang parchment paper. Nakuha na. Buka na, darling. So, shrimp, guys, dumpling. Mulukot yun siya, no? It will like that, oh. It will... Cannot see my beautiful face.
Now we see your beautiful face. Alright.
Alright. So, kitang-kita kami dito, guys, o ni John. Sa camera. This is clearer. You know, clear na clear. You know, kita nyo ba? Ang galing.
Oh, it sends notifications too. So now we have some shrimps. Let me see about that. Yep, now we got some shrimps. Some green peas. I have chicken in the microwave for Hani. Here's the grilled ribbies I made. Hopefully they're tender. Here's a little salt. Maybe a little pepper. A garlic butter pod. Voila. With soy sauce. And calamansi for the shrimp dumpling. Delicious.
Wow! Kumakain na pala ito, oh. Kumakain ka pala, ha?
Yeah.
Hoy! bad food for honeys daw.
I don't know. Maybe.
Ay, sus, magkiang-kiang mga kutaan na. Kiang-kiang lang ito, ma. Ibutangan naman ni kalamunding, kalamansi, no?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
That's good. Ako, ala! Wow, sarap nito ah.
Barbecue pork.
Mag-rice siguro ko, dear. Need rice.
Magluto ko.
No, there's already. Let me get it.
What are you getting?
Right. Come on.
Oh,
Salamat, darling, for always cooking delicious food.
you're welcome.
Pinapataba mo talaga ako. Nabahaw na.
None for me. I'm having rice wine.
Sarap, ha?
Mm-hmm.
Sarap ng pork.
Simple setup. Did you have a shrimp?
Not yet.
There's the sauce.
Shrimp, guys. I think I have my... Kita na itong hungit. Nan. Puro bawal. Shrimp, bawal. Pork, bawal. Pero in moderation, okay lang. 1, 2 shrimp won't hurt.
Right?
Don't just do it every day. Rice, a little rice. Ito, there's not much here. There's only bones. Bones and a little ano. Sarap. This used to be my papa's favorite. Sinugba.
Grilled pork.
Tapos palitan o beer. Partner. Meron pang leftover na chicken dito. Oh. Ang sweet talaga ni Jan.
Oh, it's delicious.
Kasi, inanahan niya ako ng chicken kasi alam naman niya na hindi ako kumakain ng pork. Ito from last night ito eh. It's really good. This is the pine nuts there, no?
Yes, pine nuts. Pine nuts parmesan.
If we have a restaurant, I will put this in one in our menu. It's really good here.
Thank you, darling.
Especially this one.
Mm-hmm.
The kuan ba? The coating. It's really good. Kung mata... It's really funny because I know that you can find this in some of the restaurants, like, but inexpensive restaurants.
Expensive.
When John is cooking, he put the effort, the heart to it. Like, not just I wanna cook. He doesn't have that mentality of, okay, whatever.
It's not 50%.
101.
100%.
Especially sa work,
And if I
1,000%.
can't do that, then never mind.
So you might
50% is annoying.
wonder why Jan is always cooking. Because he wants it to be done right.
That's right.
I mean, I can cook, but I will follow recipe. I will, you know.
recipe will poison you.
Mm-hmm.
This oil, that oil,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
this
Jan?
ingredient,
No.
that ingredient.
Who will replace it? Who will replace it with beef talo or what's the other one?
You want more peas?
Do we have more peas?
Yeah, there's some there.
Okay. I'll finish. I like peas. World peas.
Peas like you.
World peas. Dami pa ko.
It's a lot, no?
Mm-mm. Dara, darling. It's a lot. You can finish that. You're already full.
I'm done. I'm full. Almost time for bed.
Ako mag-edit pa ako. After taking orders, editing. After that, I have to wait till 12 midnight to upload and wake up early in the morning. So I don't have enough sleep. I think I need to change my
No
premium.
sleep for honey.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
While Johnny is snoring,
Mm-hmm. Do I snore a lot?
I'm still on my phone. So let's talk about deportation, because we see a lot of news and then lots of misinformation, understanding, no? Because right now they say that all, for example, non-US citizen na nandito sa Amerika who doesn't have green card or who's applying for green card or still in green card status,
Applying for green card.
applying for green card must return to the country wherever, whichever their country. So in my case kasi guys is I know I'm still green card holder, but I'm already done with my citizenship interview. I'm only still waiting for my oath taking. But to others, I think, I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong. For example, you are B1 visa, okay, tourist, B1 visa. You are working visa, that's different, right? You are not
Yes.
green card, you are working.
Your working visa.
Okay. So I
Completely
think
different.
after your contract, for example, after 2 years, okay, for example, you are a teacher here in the US. After 2 years, you really need to go back to your country.
Right.
You need to wait for your what do you call it, contract to be expired before you go back. It's not necessarily that, okay, go back to your country, i-deport ka nila. No, not like that. You have finish the contract first, go back to your home country. If you want to apply for a visa, a green card, apply it in your own country. For example, Philippines, apply ka sa Philippines. For example, Thailand, Malaysia, kung saang bansa man.
It seems very misleading.
And then, syempre, a lot of bashers, a lot of they take it negatively. No, but it's not really. It's not negative.
It seems
What they're
very
trying,
misleading.
what they're
Overall.
trying to say is, okay, if you want to get a green card holder, yes, you are qualified. However, you need to go back to your home country. So, sa case ko guys, hindi po ako madedeport or hindi po ako kasama doon, no, sa babalik sa Pilipinas, no, para doon mag-apply kasi nakapag-apply na po ako.
Because otherwise,
it's referring to the other.
The green
person.
card's completely separate from a work visa or a visiting.
Right, but
Visitors
before
visa.
but before, they can apply it here. So for example, it's nearly expired or 2 years, they can apply it here so that they can continue to work. Okay, or for
Okay.
example like that. But now, you cannot. You have to apply it in your country.
Yeah, certainly 100% does not apply to you.
Mm-hmm. And then waiting for outtaking. No, but a lot of people, they say, oh my God, your green card, you need to go back to your country, la la la, li li li. Misunderstanding,
It's all the fear.
misinformation, misdissemination. So, wag po tayong magpataka lang ng magsalita ng kung ano-ano guys ba, no? Kasi syempre nakakatakot din yan sa iba. No? Wala, kung ano kaya ako, ma-deport ba or ganito ganyan. No.
The news loves to instill fear in everybody.
Mm-mm.
It sells everything.
Ganun talaga. Minsan, nakakapanood tayo ng mga hindi magaganda sa news, napapaniwalaan natin. So, wag po tayong basta-bastang maniwala. So, yun lang. Waiting pa din ako guys sa aking outtaking. And, hopefully, hindi mangyayari yun na nasa Pilipinas tayo guys, no? Kasi, kung mangyayari yun na nasa Pilipinas ako guys, is babalik talaga ako dito. Oo, kasi syempre hinintay din natin yan na matagal. 5 years din natin yan na hinintay. So, hindi ko siya ipapareschedule. Kung magkataon man, kung sa awa ng Diyos, magkaroon na tayo ng outtaking, kahit saan pa tayo, kahit nasa cruise pa ako guys, babalik talaga ako dito. Oo. Sa cruise or sa Pilipinas, babalik talaga ako dito. Sarap nito, Kit-kit ug bukog. Isang ribs lang ang kinain ko. Isang slice ng ribs. Hindi ko na to kaya. Uber na yan. Isa lang, busog ka na eh. So, tomorrow hindi mo na ako magla-live. Monday na lang ako mag-live and then Tuesday shipping natin. Kasi, Monday kasi guys is Memorial Day. So, holiday, walang pick up ng mga boxes. So, mag-vlog lang ako the whole day niyan. Monday. Tomorrow. So, thank you so much guys for watching our daily vlog for today. We will see you again tomorrow.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.